I see the AV team getting really tired, but maybe we have time for one question? Okay, good. I think, yeah, like the best way to really wrap up this conversation, and maybe we'll take a question from the audience, is as an entrepreneur, and maybe a lot of aspiring entrepreneurs or people that didn't think to become one, but listening to you are having that motivation, what would be your top 3 advice? Or like something you wish you knew when you were an entrepreneur?
There is a beautiful book that really, it had a big impact, which is Thinking Big, Starting Small, and Moving Fast, which is published by Mayo Clinic, but I add also to it collaboration. I think collaboration is the key. That's why we have a successful Innovation Enablement Center. That's why I was successfully awarded by His Excellency with the initiative for the social responsibility, and then it turned into a company. Collaboration is the key. I think you can, I'm convinced that you cannot do it 100% yourself. Collaborating with the right partners, it can have a high impact and a shortcut on your entrepreneurship journey.